What's up, guys? Welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy that you can make $600 plus with CPA marketing tutorial and promote CPA offers for absolutely free with CPAGrip or CPALead or Max Bounty. It depends on you whatever or whichever the website or the network you are preparing or you like that it is available in your country. You can simply choose and start making money from that. So with this specific strategy, you will learn each and every and single thing step by step. So I just want you to watch the video to the very end to do not miss on a single part of the strategy, because if you miss, then you will be confused and you will not fully understand that how exactly it is working. So I'm going to share with you step by step that how we can make money with this specific strategy. The first and important thing is that you need to sign up with the network that you are preparing or you like that. You need to sign up with that. Once you sign up with that, the next step will be that then you can simply log into your account right there. For example, if I'm using this ad work media, so I also need to just sign into ad work media. If I'm using the CPALead, so I just need to sign into that. If I'm using the CPAGrip, so you just need to sign into the CPAGrip account right away here. So once you sign into the CPAGrip account right here, the next step for us will be that we can simply choose the product. But before choosing the product, we need to sort the country by the United States right here. But I'm going to promote the offers from the United States, but it depends on you if you have the proper way to promote any other country. So you can also promote that. Doesn't matter. It is not a problem right here. So you can simply scroll down and you will see the different products available right here. For example, you can be $10,000 richer today. Grab a $500 Wayfair gift card now. Act now for a $750 PayPal gift card. Okay, get Christmas samples now. So these are different offers that you can simply promote, and you can simply choose right here, and then you can simply promote. At the back side, we can earn money from that right here. So we have a offer that something like get a fridge and a year of Coca-Cola consumption. So it means that you can have a Coca-Cola for absolutely free for 1 year, and you can also have a fridge into that, and that way we can earn $2.14 right here. So this is the best offer that we can simply promote and promote in front of other people right here. So this will be the feed something. If we just refer someone, so they will come right here and they will add their email address and first name, last name, and something like that. Once they sign up, we will earn the money from here, and they need the United States traffic from here. So how we can do that? It is easy. We just need to learn here step by step right here. The first step is that we need to copy the link from here. Once we copy the link, we should embed it or add it into a free landing page such as Linktree. You might be seeing in my previous videos that how we can add links, affiliate links or CPA links into an a link tree. So you might be seeing that. That's simple. Just sign up for a free account and add your link there, and then copy the link tree link from there. So once you copy that link, the next step will be that you can simply go to the traffic. So the traffic source that we are talking about in this video would be the twitter.com. So Twitter is a huge traffic that you have seen in the social media platforms. It is the biggest traffic source actually that we can simply see here on social media. So according to the similar wave, if you just come right here, 6.8 billion people in every single month is coming to this website, and those are most of them are from the United States. Like here, 25% from the United States, then Japan, United Kingdom, Brazil, and Canada right here. But we can easily target the United States and the Twitter. So just watch me how we can do that. The first step is that you just need to go to the search icon right here. So once you go to the search icon, you just need to type, for example, Coca-Cola, okay, something like that, Coca-Cola. Once you tap the Coca-Cola right here, the next step will be that as you simply see here, money accounts right here, and those are all of them are verified. So make sure that how you can understand that it is from the US right here. So you can see the first one, Coca-Cola, okay, and the next one is the Coca-Cola Co-Dat, okay. The next one is Diet Coke. The second one is Coca-Cola GP. Another one is Coca-Cola Racing, Coca-Cola PH, which means Philippine or something like that. And if you scroll down, you will see from any other country, something like, for example, from uh, Coca-Cola World of Coca-Cola, and Coca-Cola India, Coca-Cola Africa, Switzerland, and something like that. But what we need to do, we can simply click on the first one right here. Once we click on the first one, we can simply easily understand from where the traffic is coming. The first one, they are easily showing you that it is from Atlanta, GA, which means United States, and here is the link us.coca-cola.com. It means that it is from the USA. We have 3.3 active followers right here, and those are all of them are active right here. So the first step is that we can simply copy and paste their accounts right here. So we can just simply copy their name and we can add something similar into that. For example, then we can add the same thing, something in the bio. Then we can have a link, something like that. So our link we can simply add in the website section and it will appear right here. And once you set up that, then you can simply download some of the images from this account or from the Google or anywhere else from the social media. You can simply download the images. Once you download the images and videos related to Coca-Cola, you can upload it to your account. Once you upload to your account, then you can simply go to the followers section right here. So once you go to the followers section right here, then you can simply scroll down to make sure that you do not follow these things. For example, those verify accounts or those companies right away here. So leave it like this right here. You can simply scroll down and you can see for the local people like these guys. Okay, you can simply look for these people like these are the local guys. You can simply just click on the follow right here. So once you follow on these guys, the next step would be that you will see the notification and they will also visit your account right here. If you have similar contents on Coca-Cola, they will of course follow you and they can see your post every single day when you upload or you post it right here. So the next step will be that every day you can just follow 100 and 150 people every single day. That way you can simply grow your account. The next step will be that you can simply post different contents related to Coca-Cola and your account right here. But the smartest way is that, for example, that if you want to make money exactly on this page right here, that will be in one time in one method. You can simply build your account. The next step will be that you can at the same time you can also target people right here. For example, you can simply tell the click on the followers, then scroll down. For example, you just follow this guy right here. Okay, you simply click on that and then you will have the message option somewhere else or sometime right here. Okay, but for most of the time it will not be available, but for some of the people that's available right here. So you can simply just click on that and you can simply follow them. Once you follow them, then you can send them the message right away here. For example, you can simply easily tell people in the comment section sorry, in the comment and the message. For example, if you are agree, I have seen you, for example, I have seen you that you are following Coca-Cola and you will be loved to see this amazing offer in Coca-Cola. So get a fridge and a year of Coca-Cola consumption, something like that. Check out the first link in the description. Sorry, check out the link in the bio. Simply just redirect people into your bio. And that way you can also grow your account. You can also get more engagement and boost your account right here, because people, when they see the message, for example, that get a fridge and a year of Coca-Cola consumption for free, then everybody will just go to your account and they will click the link in the bio whenever they sign up right here to this page. So we simply earn this amount of money from every single person right here. For example, this is the one. Let me just click on that. We can earn this amount of money from every single month. So this method is really working, but you have to be consistent. You work hard and you just need to invest a little bit of your time. 10 minutes, 15 minutes every single day you need to put into that, and you will not see the result in 1 day or 2 days or 3 days. It might take a month or 2 months, and consistency is the key for the success in earning money from this method right away here. So if you really want to make money, be consistent and you will be success on this method. It's absolutely working. This strategy is 100% working if you just work hard and stick into that right here. But if you want to have the full training on making money online, getting passive income from A to Z, that how you can make money online, then check out the first link in the description of this video and you will learn from A to Z, all the training, tips, trick, and bonuses, each and everything in that, and then you can make money from that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.